Namaste students. Our next topic is frequency curve. Frequency curve when the vertex of the frequency polygons are joined in smooth hand, that is known as frequency curve. Here we are taking one example in which class interval and frequency is given, that 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And frequency is given 4, 10, 15, 18 and 20. On OX axis we will take the class interval and OY axis we will take the frequency. Here maximum frequency is 20, so we will take the gap 1 centimeter is equal to 5 on OY axis, and on OX axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 at OX axis, 20, 30, 40 and 50. First of all, we make a histogram. 0 to 10, that is 4. 4 is here, so we will take 4, then 10, (15), (18), and last is 20. Now, in a first step, we have to make the histogram. In second step, we have to find out the midpoints of all these. And now, we have to join all these points at freehand curve, that is known as frequency curve. This is our frequency curve when we have to join all these points at a freehand. So, how we can draw the frequency curve? The curve obtained from the cumulative frequency is known as cumulative frequency curve. Whenever we have to draw the cumulative frequency curve, it will be a less than cumulative frequency and it will be a more than cumulative frequency. Same portion we can draw with a less than cumulative frequency or more than cumulative frequency. One by one we will see. Here monthly income is given 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Number of people are given here. Now how we can convert the less than series? Whenever we have to convert the less than series, we will take first class interval upper limit and up to the last class interval lower limit. So here we start from less than 20. Less than 20. How many numbers of people less than 20? These 6 people are less than 20. Then frequency is 6. Then after that it will be continue less than 30. Less than 30 means these people are less than 30. 6 plus 9, 15 is less than 30. Then less than 40. Less than 40 means these people are less than 40. It means 15 plus 10, 25 is less than 40. Then less than 50, that is equal to 40 less than 60 that is equal to 1252. Here we will take 52 less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60 and less than 70. Less than 70 that is equal to 60. Here we will start from the upper limit from the first class interval and upper limit of the last class interval. Less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, 60 and 70. Now how we can draw this diagram? First we will take OX-axis, the scale, OX-axis scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 and OY scale is maximum it is 60, then OY scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10. This is 10,000. Income is given in 1000. Income is given in 1000 here. Then we will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and the 70. And maximum frequency is 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now less than 20, 6 students. Less than 20 is 6 students. We will take here 6. Less than 30, 15. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Then 15, less than 30, 15. Less than 40, 25. Less than 50, 40, 25, after that 40. Then 52. And last is 60. If we have to join all these points with a free hand, that is known as less than ogive. That is known as less than ogive. It will be upward sloping less than ogive because here frequency is continuously rising. So this is our less than ogive. Same question you can use also for the more than cumulative frequency. Whenever you have to convert the more than, we will start from the lower limit, that is more than 10. More than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50, more than 60. And more than 10, all the values are more than 10. It means the frequency is 60. More than 20, these values are more than 20. So we will deduct from 6 from the 60, that is 54. Then more than 30, these values are more than 30. We will deduct 9 from the 54, that is equal to 45. More than 40, these values are more than 40. 45 minus 10, that is equal to 35. More than 50, these values are more than 50. More than 50, 15 you have to deduct from here, that is equal to 20. More than 60, these values are more than 60. Then 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. Now you have to draw the same diagram. On OX axis we will take the frequency, and we will take the class more than values, class interval, monthly income on OX axis, and the frequency on OY axis. Maximum frequency is 60. Same we will take 10-10 gap. Whenever frequency is more than 10 we will on 10, that is equal to 60. This is a 1 point, then 54. This is another point, 54. Third point is 45. Then 35. Then 20. And last is 8. If we have to join all these points, this is known as more than ogive. This is known as more than ogive, and this is our less than ogive. So you know how we can draw more than and less than ogive in the same question.